At school today, everybody was learning a new dance, and I was the only one that couldn't do it, and I got mad. I don't like feeling different.
Oh, that's a tough feeling. I'm sorry, but thank you for telling me about it. You know, sometimes, even if we try really hard, we just take a lot longer to learn certain things compared with other people.
What, even you?
Yes, like I'm really good at being a doctor, but I'm quite slow at reading maps.
So if you were in a room full of map readers, you'd feel different.
I would.
But you're so smart and special.
I know. And so are you.
Yeah?
You know, I have just the song that you need. Would you like to sing along?
Yeah!
You're a special person, everything about you. I don't care what anyone says, you know it's true. Our faces are all different, but our smiles all shine. Our bodies strong and ready, just like our strong minds. Whoa, whoa, you really are just perfect, exactly as you are. Don't change a thing, don't change anything. Find confidence in you. Don't change a thing, don't change anything. Be proud of you. To be happy and live your life with fun is always to remember there's room for everyone. Our faces are all different, but our smiles all shine, and our bodies strong and ready, just like our strong minds. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You really are just perfect, exactly as you are. Don't change a thing, don't change anything. Find confidence in you. Don't change a thing, don't change anything. Be proud of you. Don't change a thing, don't change anything. Find confidence in you.